right, everybody, absolute stunning day here in beautiful Volo, Illinois, and we have a equally as stunning 1957 Ford Fairlane 500. This one's got the 292 with the Cruise-O-Matic transmission, and that's exactly what we're going to do. Go for a little cruise here. I tell you, can't beat this car overall. Styling, it feels amazing going over these bumps. Just a really true, nice, well dialed in car. Absolutely amazing. I can't get over the like overall feeling of this. Just the steering, the brakes, even when you hit the gas, the sound of the exhaust. This is a remarkable car. Love this one. It does have power steering, power disc brakes, work really, really well. It does have the electric wipers here. See, those work as well. And if I could see around this van. All right, let's see what she's got. I know 292 will push this thing no problem. Tell you, that exhaust is sounding sweet. And just like that, we're up to speeds. Great handling car. I mean, super, super easy to drive. Real nice and tight steering for such a big vehicle. Can't even feel the bumps. Really good sound to it as well. There's nothing really rattling, nothing like that. It's just a great car overall. If you'd like to come take this one for a test drive yourself, by all means, you're more than welcome to come visit us. We are located in Volo, Illinois, about an hour's drive outside of Chicago and about a 30-minute drive outside of O'Hare International Airport. You can give us a call, talk to one of our consultants, and go ahead and arrange that. If you don't have time for all that, you can also hire a third-party inspector, and they can come take a look for you. This one also does have the spotlights here, really cool working spotlights. I like that. It's not an option that we get all the time, so super fun. Really cool car. Love this exhaust. Let's see if we can get a little rev here. Yeah, great sounding car. Turn signal display is lighting up, no problem. This one's a cherry. Check out over 100 pictures of it on volocars.com.